Hi everyone, welcome to Civil Engineering Tutorials. In previous video, I have created this floor plan of shop, its framed structure, and in this video, I will discuss what is the difference between load bearing structure and framed structure. Also, will create load bearing floor plan of same shop. So it is very important question and frequently asked in interviews. So watch the video till end. And if you are new to my channel, then click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated with all new videos. Also, don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter to get all kinds of updates. So let's get started. So here we will discuss about load bearing structure and what is the difference between load bearing and framed structure. So this is framed structure which I have already created and its link is given in the description box. You can see columns are there. Here the red color columns are there, you can see. Inside the wall thickness, that means it is framed structure. So first let's discuss what is load bearing structure. So load bearing structure is one in which a brick masonry wall is the major structural element in the foundation as well as in the building framework. Load bearing structure is a type of structure where the load of the building is carried by the walls. These walls are made of masonry bricks or stone. Load bearing walls are designed to support the weight of the building. So, in load bearing structure, brick masonry wall carries all loads also transferred to the ground through the foundation. There is no framework of column, beam and foundation which are made from concrete. So, this is load bearing structure. That means there will be no column, beam or foundation which are made from concrete. Now let's next, what is framed structure? In framed structure, the load of building is taken by columns and beams which are connected together to form a grid-like structure. Now, framed structure walls are non-load. They don't carry weight of the building and they are used only to provide separation between different areas or rooms. They are used only like partition walls. So, in framed structure, all loads of building with structure is taken by beams, columns and foundation. Okay, and in framed structure, these walls are used as separation or partition walls because they are not taking any loads. So this is the difference between load bearing and framed structure. So here we will create the load bearing structure. So this is 10.09 meter, this is 7.36 meter. This side you can see 10.09 and this is 7.36 meter. Same length, same. Here I will create the wall thickness first. So here wall thickness we will take 30 centimeter or 0.30 meter. In load bearing structure, as wall takes all loads. So wall thickness we will take 0.3 meter or 30 centimeter. So give offset distance 0.3 meter. Now select this line, click on internal side, click and click. Now I will use fillet command. You can use trim command also. Here to here this is 0.3 meter. But here in framed structure this is 0.23 meter, 23 centimeter. So here load bearing structures wall should be 0.30 minimum. Now here next I will use fillet command. I will fillet. You can also use trim command here. Fillet, click here and click here. Again fillet, click here and click here. This is the external wall we have created. Now I will give offset room 1. I will give offset distance. This room length 4.9 meter. Select this line, click to this side. Again offset this side 4.3 meter. Select this line, click to this side. Now wall thickness again 0.3 meter. 0.3. Select this line, click to this side. Select this line, click to this side. Now you can see here to here this distance 4.29 meter and this distance this is 4.3 meter. And this side I have to fillet this. Also fillet this side and I will simply draw 2 lines on both sides and I will trim. I will use break command here. BR enter shortcut key. Click and click here. Again break. This side I will break. Click here and click here and delete all these extra lines. This will be the veranda corridor. So I will trim these lines. This room, this is the veranda corridor, 2.46 meter. Now this is 4.29 by 4.3 meter. Now I will create door here. So make door, I need to create door layer. Go to layer properties, create a new layer, door layer. Make door layer as current layer. Now length of door I will take 1.2 meter. So give offset distance 1.2 meter. Select this line, click to this side. Again select this line, click to this side. This side also we need to provide door. Delete these 2 dimension lines. Now extend these 2 lines to this wall thickness. Extend these 2, also extend these 2. Now trim all the extra lines. Trim. First I will select, trim this, also trim here and delete this extra line. Now we have created door openings. Also trim here. Now door openings I have created. So I'll text, click here. Text height I will give here 0.3. Now this is door. So I'll write D and move this and paste it here. I will copy to another side. Make ortho on and paste it here. Now I need to check dimension of this room. Make window layer as current layer first. I have to create window also. So give offset distance. I will leave 0.4 meter from this side and I'll create my window. Window length also 1.2 meter. So extend this line, give offset distance 1.2 meter. Select this line and click to this side. Now trim, select and trim these 2 extra lines. Now draw a line on midpoint. Here give offset Give offset command, give offset distance 0.05. Select this line, click to this side, select this line, click to this side. Now delete the middle line. This is the window. Change the layer as window layer. Now I need to create chhajja here. So for that, give offset distance. I will give offset of 0.15 meter. Select this line, click to this side. Both sides you have to take 0.15 meter offset. Again give offset distance. You have to take 0.45 meter. Select this line and click here. Now extend both the lines towards this line. Select, extend this line, also extend this line. Now trim all the extra lines. You can also use fillet command here, but I will use trim command. You can use fillet command also. So trim here and trim here. Now change the line type and layer, chhajja layer, and to create chhajja. Select, this is chhajja layer, and you need to change the line type. You can change the line type in layer. I will change here. This is the line type. Right click, go to properties. Line type here I need to change 0.01. This is the chhajja and window I have created. Here we have to give offset again. Give offset distance 0.1. Select, click to give offset distance 0.1 meter. Select this line, click to this side, select this line, click to this side. Now trim all the extra lines. I'm telling you repeatedly, instead of trim command, you can also use fillet command here. So hatch it, solid hatch. This is window with chhajja I have created. I will write the text, copy this text, paste it here, and this is W for window. Now same size windows we have to fix in another rooms, and here height I will change text height 0.25 meter. So now here I need to fix here, so give offset distance 0.6. Select, click to this side. Now I will simply copy this, select, copy. This is the base point and paste it here. And delete this line. Now here in this room, I will move this window little this side. First I will copy and paste it here. And offset 0.4 from here. And again I will select, copy and paste it here. Delete these two lines, this line, and here in this room I need to bring this window. So select, move towards this side, because as there is no column, this is load bearing wall, so we can create our windows anywhere. So I will bring it towards this side. So we have created windows. Now I will mirror this side and this side window to another side. We need these two windows here. So mirror. This is the midpoint. You have to take the midpoint. This is the midpoint, and you can see the midpoint and click. We have created the window, and chhajja we need to delete, because as there is roof slab will be there, so chhajja is not required. You have to delete the chhajja. Here chhajja is not required because roof slab, baranda corridor roof slab will be there. Now again I need to copy this window. Rotate and select, move the midpoint and paste in this midpoint of this wall. Now select, move this point to this point. Now I'll do match properties of this text. Select, do match properties and click here. Now select, move here to here. Now I will select again, select mirror. This is the midpoint you have to take. Here is the midpoint. Make ortho on and press enter. So we have created all these windows, door openings we have created. So I will make the estimation of this load bearing SOP, load bearing structure, this SOP, estimate of this SOP, and also estimate of that framed structure SOP. I will create one by one. So this is the baranda corridor. So we need to provide here columns because roof slab will be there. So there is no wall. So columns we have to provide. So rectangle. Here right click, go to dimensions. Column I will take 20 cm by 20 cm. So 0.2 meter length, 0.2 meter width. Click. Now hatch, I need to hatch this. H enter. Solid hatch and click inside. This is column. Column layer is also current layer. Now I need to copy this. So first I will divide into, I need 4 columns here. Sorry, 5 columns here. So first I need to divide into 4 segments, 4 numbers. Now if I select like this, you can see it's divided into 4 parts. Now I need to copy my column and paste over here. So simply I will copy and paste. Select, copy. This is the base point, this side. Select, copy. This side you have to take the base point, not this side. The midpoint you have to take and paste here. On midpoint of this 1, this is 2. Here also one more point, 3, and this is the last one, 4. So why we provided column here? Because there is no wall thickness. No wall is there to take load. So move this column here. There is no wall to take load, and load of slab will come to this. So column is required here. As there is no wall, so we have to provide column. So 20 cm by 20 cm column we have provided here. So I hope you understand why we have given column here. So this room size 4.9 meter this side, this is 4.3 meter. Here this side this is 4.29 meter, and this side this is 4.3 meter, and this is the baranda corridor 2.46 meter. This is copy, I will copy this. This is room 1. Space I will give. Sorry. And I will copy this text to this room. This is room 2. I'll move to this point and I'll copy here to here. This is room 2. 2 rooms of we are creating. This is room 2. So this is the load bearing structure SOP I have created. So there is no column, only column we have to provide there where there is no wall, and wall thickness you have to take 0.3 meter, 30 centimeter minimum. So this is the difference between load bearing structure and framed structure. Hope you understand. So in my next video I will create the estimate of this load bearing structure and then framed structure. This is the framed structure of same soft drawing. You can see this is frame structure. There was columns inside the wall thickness, but here only columns there where there is no wall. So I hope you like this video, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you for watching.